Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, so you see the pushes down on the daily chart. It's all centering in and around the 50-day exponential moving average, the lower band. It's more, you can see what's happening more on the regular sessions have been very compressed. There's been movement in Globex, although not as much movement last night. 2 nights ago, you had 96. I'm sorry, 3 nights ago it was 96. 2 nights ago, 92. Last night, 90. I actually talked myself out of 90, which I'm not really happy with. Ended up taking a -2, going to bed. I wake up and it's 82. But hey, that's trading. That's gonna happen. It's gonna happen to everybody. So, but when you get on the hourly chart, you can really see the battle that's been going on. So we see the lower highs and lower lows. They did the rejection and they V'd up out of that, and now we're just kind of continue to explore this range. Sometimes in wider moves, you've got the low from Tuesday at 74.5. You've got the highs up around 2,900. It's all centering on the hourly mid band and centering on everything that's going on in and around the lower band. It's basically 80, 82, 83 to 90. Just this compressed. You could even say to 96. Just this compressed area that keeps getting smaller. Hourly bands don't get this small and stay this small. So it's setting up for a directional move. Up or down, we don't care. We just want it to move, right? So this should give us some kind of a decision, if not today, pretty quick. I'm leaning now towards a bearish resolution simply because you've got no attempt to take out weekly pivot here. And you had no real attempt to take out 90 yesterday, or 2,900 rather, in the regular session, and you've had the 3 successive failures in Globex, 96, 92, and 90. That all points to rally sells. So we continue to be in a situation where we want to sell rallies. So I have no problem being long the rally. At the same time, when I am long these rallies, we did 21 handles yesterday. So we did 46 on Monday, we did 21 yesterday. But I got caught up in the chop. It was a lot better before the last hour. Gave a little bit of it back, which I hate to do at the end of the day, but when it's consolidated around inflection points, it's hard for me not to trade it because I know there's a big move on the other side, especially when I'm up, room's up like 60-something handles for the week, and since Friday morning, we're up over 100 handles. So, we'll take some chances when that's going on. But no attempts at weekly pivot. Inability to get through 2,900, 96, 92, 90, sell rallies. You can be long the rallies, but you got to have an eye towards the exit door and understand that, every rally has been sold now for about 4 or 5 sessions. So what am I looking for today? I want to see, we're pushing down here, obviously. I want to see if this has some legs. I want to see if we start to see pronounced lower highs that provide opportunities for it to go down and deal with the monthly pivot, to deal with 66 and potentially break 66. If it pops, I want to see if the hourly midband holds it in, up at 86, 87. If the bulls are for real, then we're going to see another rejection. It'll get up and through daily pivot today, and then we'll start to deal with 2,900. So very compressed, very two-sided. Take your profits where you find them, move on to the next trade. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll be out with a bunch of stuff on social. Take care, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.